Hey, so this is Miss Claire, and today I'm going to teach you how to do Readworks activities as if like I were a scholar using Wake Forest's account. Okay, so if this isn't your class, don't worry about it. This is just to show you how to use it. Okay, so let's pretend I'm you guys, right? And I scroll down, right? And I'm using this button to like scroll down, right? And then I see that Ms. Hamblett posted a new assignment through Readworks. I want a phone. So I click it, right? This is the name, right? Click the activity. Okay. So let's say, okay, so I have to read it. And let's say like the reading's actually really hard for me. I can actually just click this.
I want a phone by Readworks.
To listen to it, read it to me. So I read, right, the whole story, right? I read the whole thing. Okay, so I'm done reading the story, right? I finished, but that doesn't mean I'm done because look up here. I have questions, okay? So we just read the passage. Now we have to go to the questions tab. And look. Now I have to answer the multiple choice questions, okay? So make sure after you read, you always look at the top, right? We were just here. We read the whole thing to the bottom. And up here is questions. So I have to make sure I look up, see if there's a questions tab, which there is. And there's all of these multiple choice questions. And then these short answers where I actually have to write in my answer. So make sure you do all parts of it. It is not just reading the text, it is also answering these questions. Let me know if you guys have any trouble. When you're answering your short answer questions, make sure you write in sentences, okay? And you use text evidence. And if I ever forget, like, oh my God, what happened? Go back to passage. You know, this part. And then I can like scroll up and like read in the story anything I need. And then I could also click on the questions tab and then be able to answer all of this about the text. So then we can see how well you understood the text. And make sure you do your best writing in the short answers. Don't give it one word. Don't give 2 words, not 3 words. Nope. All the sentences that we do. You turn the question around. You give text evidence. And you give context, which means you explain how it matches your claim. Just like we do in shared text. Capiche? This is where y'all would say capuche. Okay? And then you press the blue submit button so we can see how well you understood the story. All right, let me know if you have any questions on how to answer your questions and how to do the work on Readworks. All right? Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing your work. Bye.